Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the temperature of your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First of all, open the web browser on your laptop and search for the CoreTemp application. So we're gonna need a third-party application for measuring the temperature. Since there is no native way to measure the temperature, just find the allcpu.com website and find the CoreTemp application on it. To download it, click download. In the middle of this page you will get the setup file prepared for you. You can find it in your downloads folder in your file explorer. Run this file and click yes. And now let me make it more visible for you. So now click next, accept the user agreement to continue this process, then click next once again. Then you can change the directory for this program by clicking browse and selecting the new directory, or you can just go with the default one. Click next to confirm. If you need a desktop shortcut, leave this checkbox checked, and if you don't, just uncheck it. If you want to create a shortcut to the CoreTemp add-ons such as CoreTemp gadget, you can check this checkbox or uncheck it. We don't need it. And if you need an additional language pack for this program, also leave this checkbox checked. I'm gonna uncheck it too. So once you're ready, click next, then click install. Then once the file is program is installed, click next. And now let's uncheck the readme part and launch and leave this checkbox checked. Click finish and wait until the program is launched. Let me actually leave this magnifier. So this program is divided into two parts. The first part, the top part, will tell you your processor information with all the specifications of your processor, and the bottom one will show the temperature readings from your processor. Well, the processor is basically the main heating part of your laptop, as there is no discrete graphics card. Therefore, basically your processor temperature is pretty much your laptop's current temperature. So here in this column you will find in this column you will find the current temperature of each core of your processor. In this you will find the minimum registered temperature. In this one you will find the maximum registered temperature. Of course, these values are not very accurate yet, since this program has just been installed on your computer, and it takes some time for it to make more readings. Here you can find the average temperature for every core of your processor, and in this column you can also check the load of each core of the processor. You can also check the power consumption right here, and that's basically how you check the temperature of your DELL laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.